What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Sushiswap. As you guys can see, it has taken a little bit of a drop over the last 24 hours. It has dropped 6%, nearly 7%, and currently trading at $1.08. Zooming onto the 7 days chart, however, it is up quite a bit, 74% up in the last 7 days, meaning it's performing very well, but it has taken a little dip. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to pump back up in value anytime soon? Is it going to crash back down? Is it time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Sushiswap go, and especially going into 2024, is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? And if so, when is the best time to invest into it? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and we've got the SMA indicator here currently trading, or valuing Sushiswap at an average value of 72 cents. However, it is trading at a much higher value here in red at $1.08, meaning it's performing very well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected from this crypto over the next 12 to 14 hours. So in the early hours of tomorrow morning to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting Sushiswap to have gone for an overall minimal drop in value, potentially dropping down to just about the dollar mark is where I'm expecting Sushiswap to be trading at. But again, it doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 12 to 14 hours. Of course not. It's likely to peak back up to about $1.10, $1.12 before it slowly starts to drop back down to the $1 mark over the next 12 to 14 hours. So yes, do expect an overall drop in value from Sushiswap. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical, shall I say. We've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish. However, they are just about slanting towards the positive direction. So yes, minimal gains in value are expected from Sushiswap over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by the end of next week, I'm expecting this crypto to be trading around $1.15 to $1.20 from where it is at the moment. And that is including the drop and the dips that are likely to take place in between as well. I'm expecting Sushiswap to hit a few more red days over the coming week. And obviously, the overall outcome is positive, meaning it is also going to hit green days, but we are likely to see a little bit of dips in between as well. But again, as long as the overall outcome is positive, we should be good. So yeah, I'm expecting an overall minimal gain in value from Sushiswap over the next week or so. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are got the blue and the orange line once again looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction. But at this point, as you guys can see, it is looking way too steep. The only reason it is looking this steep is because of the major increase that's been taking place over the last week or so. The graph thinks is, you know what, is going to keep pumping at its current pace, is going to, you know, go for a bull run, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. That is not realistic either when it's looking this steep. So what I'm expecting is, yes, I am expecting an overall increase in value, but nothing too crazy and nothing too major. Potentially heading to around $1.60 to $1.70 is where I'm expecting Sushiswap to be trading at by mid to late December. So essentially towards the end of the year, we should see it near about the $2 mark, nearing that target, but not not yet hitting the $2 mark. Potentially hitting that target in early 2024 is what I'm expecting from Sushiswap. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Sushiswap. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone and we've got a long way to go to hit the resistance target here to head into the green zone, which is $3.54, which I'm expecting Sushiswap to hit in Q2 of 2024. So yeah, we've still got about 6-7 months left to go for that time. But again, at the moment, we should focus on heading upwards towards the $2 mark, $3 mark. Again, potentially heading that towards the beginning of 2024 is what my predictions are at the moment. So let's get rid of the Fibonacci scale and go into the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up just about 2%, making it $179 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money currently being traded. However, it's only increased by 2% as we have seen a little bit of a drop, meaning investors may be buying it right now thinking, you know what, it might pump anytime soon and so on and so on. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to more or less trade around its current price range with minimal drops and peaks in between as well. But for those of you wondering, is it now time to buy it? Is it time to sell it? Personally, I wouldn't buy it right now. If I did want to buy it, I would wait for it to drop down to around 60 to 70 cents. Somewhere in between that target is where I would say the buying price is, and the selling price, I would hold on to it. For example, if I had $100 worth of Sushiswap, I would sell, if I was on a profit, I would probably sell about 25% of it, so $25. Again, depends. If you, for example, if you've got $1,000, then it'll be $250 I would sell, and I'll keep the remaining 75% until it peaks up to around the $2 mark, and then potentially sell another 40% or 50%, or you know, whatever your predictions are at the moment, and depends on how the crypto market performs in that moment as well. If you guys want regular updates on Sushiswap, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this specific crypto. But yeah, that's what I would do. But again, I'm not saying do that, I'm not saying don't do that. It's entirely up to you guys what you guys want to do with your crypto. You want to buy it, you want to sell it, you want to hold on to it, so on and so on. But yeah, comment down below your prediction for Sushiswap towards the end of 2024. What is the highest or lowest figure this crypto can hit? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.